Hello friends, being disabled, I use this lap table till I can get my main table cleared off. This was my mother's. She got it in 1920, so it makes it 103 years old. Those flowers there, they're all hand painted. It's a little rough because it was up in our attic for many years, but hey, what can I say? Alrighty, now, check this out. I made these clips from a few other like Barbertoss Rex, Off the Sprue, and a few others. I'm going to be using these to go ahead, of course, and hold my parts while I prime them, and I'll be painting them then with. I picked up this little styrofoam block at Hobby Lobby because actually I saw it on a few other ones. So here I go. I'm going to go ahead. I'm setting the side panels in. Yeah, that's bang up there. With the clips on so I can go ahead and get them ready to prime. And I'm going to do the exact same thing then with the main cabin floor. Now I know it's going to look like I'm doing a duplicate here video, but I'm not. I had taped these all up. You can see over there on the right hand side the floor of the chassis with the tape on it. Well, I did the same thing on the bottom of the side panels because I was told that the glue doesn't work well when you got like primer or something. Well, didn't even think about it. All I got to do is just scuff it a little bit and the adhesive will stick. So what I had to do is take all the tape off, and that's why I'm having to redo this all over again. Alright, here we go, finally. It's priming time. I got my new Neo Echo brush out, and I'm going to town. The primer I'm using right now, I thinned down. It's 20% acetone, and it, of course, is a Viejo 1500 black, because I'm just trying to put a light coat on so I can get everything done. Going on pretty darn nice. I don't want you sitting here for the next 35 minutes as I prime these pieces and everything. So, sped it up for you all so you can just kind of see I've trimmed and cleaned a little bit here and there. So, hopefully this ain't going to be too bad for you all. During the priming process, I noticed there were some spots forming. On the back part, you can see them really well here. Of course, I guess I didn't get it clean good enough, oil from my hands. I know better than this because I used to paint cars for a living. I've got some of the other pieces set up, but these door panels, all I'm doing is repriming because I tried an experiment, didn't work out, so I did a very light sand and went ahead and just reprimering. You can see the seats up there. They're on separate clips. Nope. That wouldn't work out, so I tried something just a little bit different. You'll see here shortly. Okay, off screen here, I did a little bit on the steering wheel because camera skill's still not very good. Just finishing up with a little bit of paint on them. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab, this is the bottom of the steering, or the top of the steering column, right below the steering wheel. You saw the lever for the turn signals. So I'm getting it all primed up real good. Okay, I grabbed the isopropyl alcohol because I realized at the last second that I hadn't really cleaned the seats very well. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do that, real quick here. Wipe them down pretty decently. And problem is, and you'll see a little bit, didn't do a very good job at it. So here I am, I'm getting them done. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to prime them. This now is the end of part 1 here, and I'll see you very shortly in the next video.